If your Windows 10 is acting strange, maybe it's slow, freezing a lot, or random pop-ups are showing, or even apps are crashing, then there's a good chance that your computer might have virus. And don't worry, it happens to a lot of people, especially with so many files and downloads these days. So you don't have to be a tech expert to fix it. Today I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to remove virus from your Windows 10 PC completely free and without installing weird third-party apps. So let's get started. First you have to use Windows Security. For that you can click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. That's a little gear icon. Now open Update and Security and then select Windows Security from the left menu. From there you have to run a quick scan. You have to click Virus and Threat Protection. Here you'll see a button called Quick Scan. You have to click it and then Windows will now check your system for common threats. This usually takes few minutes and then you can run a full scan for a deeper clean after the quick scan. Then you can click on Scan Options and choose Full Scan. This checks every single file and folder. So it will take longer but gives better results. You have to click Scan Now and let it finish. Step 4 is to remove detected threats. If Windows find anything suspicious, it will show you the threats. You have to click Start Actions and remove or quarantine them safely. And by following these steps, you have just learned how to quickly remove virus from your Windows 10 PC using the tools that you already have built in, so you don't have to install any extra software. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. If you are still facing problems, let me know in the comment section. I am here to help. Thanks for watching.